Myself, Samsad Ahmad, Department of Chemistry, DAV PG College Siwan. Today I have to discuss first law of thermodynamics. According to first law of thermodynamics, the energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transformed from one state to another. It can also be stated as when a quantity of one form of energy disappears, then an exactly equivalent quantity of energy appears in another form. Mathematically, if some quantity of heat being supplied to a system, the internal energy of system increases, work also be done by the system. Just suppose a small amount of heat delta Q is being supplied to a system. Its initial internal energy E1 changes to internal energy E2. Its initial volume V1 changes to volume V2. So dQ must be equal to change in internal energy plus pressure volume work done. Pressure of the system is constant. In these situations, this dQ amount of heat must be equal to E2 minus E1 is equal to P V2 minus V1. That will be dQ is equal to dE plus PdV. This is the first law of thermodynamics. PdV is work done and D is internal energy change. So according to first law of thermodynamics, dQ must be equal to D plus W. Now, three situations for this first law of thermodynamics may be explained one by one. For an isolated system, we know that for an isolated system, dQ, that is the amount of heat supplied, must be equal to 0. For the first law of thermodynamics, if we are putting this value of dQ is equal to 0, then D plus W must be equal to 0 and W must be equal to minus D. It means that work done by the system is equal to decrease in internal energy. Second is non-isolated system. In the case of non-isolated systems, D is equal to dQ minus W. If we consider the surrounding only, it lose an amount of heat dQ but receive W unit work. The internal energy change of the surrounding will be D is equal to W minus dQ. Since D is equal to dQ minus W, इसलिए D is equal to minus under bracket W minus dQ. That is D is equal to minus D and D plus D is equal to 0. Thus the net change of internal energy of the system and surrounding taken together must be 0. Second case is cyclic process. Second case is cyclic process. We know that for a cyclic process, D must be equal to 0. From first law of thermodynamics, dQ is equal to D plus W and dQ is equal to 0 plus W. W is equal to dQ. It means that work done by the system is equal to the amount of heat absorbed.